So here's the app called Fable. Curate your literary life is a personalized feed of book recommendation, list, reviews, quotes, and more. So yeah, this is basically your book community app. So just double click to install it. And yeah, this is the app which you can try out. And then yeah, let's just open it up. And then you can easily continue with Apple, Google, or Microsoft. So you just need to accept the terms, and then you can just sign up here like that. That's basically the idea. And then yeah, you'll just be able to sign up, and that's super easy to create an account. So this app looks like Twitter or Threads, but just for books. So if you like books, that's definitely the app for you to discover. So here, like different book clubs, you can read of demands, bestest book club pages. So like classics club, for example, if you just wanna join this club, and then there are some free ebooks. You can join these different groups. You can participate in discussions. Spoiler free chat rooms, so you can discuss rooms. You can see there is some lobbies, there is some kickoff. And then yeah, all of these stories. So yeah, that's what you can discover here. And then you can also see some club settings. So yeah, if you just like reading, sometimes reading alone is not that fun. So then you can just discover all of these things. Then there is a bookstore where you can just find all these new releases. And then there is library, or you can just find this, and then there is your profile. So then that's what it is. And then there you have it. And then you can just also start a discussion and tag a book and talk about different books. So for example, you can just mention this book, and then you can just write your opinion about it and all of that, and then just share it. So yeah, that's basically the idea of what you can get through in this app. So that's what it is. So give it a try. Again, it's like social media for book lovers. So yeah, that's what it is.